Welcome to Konch. Today we'll walk you through our latest feature, KonchMate. KonchMate is a powerful tool designed to record and transcribe your meetings seamlessly. Step 1. Log in to your Konch account. Let's get started. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of your screen under the Features section, and you'll find KonchMate. Step 2. Click the KonchMate button, and it will take you to the KonchMate page. Step 3. Integrate your Google Calendar effortlessly with KonchMate. Choose any account you want to link, and you're set. Now, you can select the meetings you want to be recorded and transcribed. Whether it's team meetings, interviews, or brainstorming sessions, KonchMate is your versatile solution. Step 4. Once the meeting is done, the transcript will appear on your Konch dashboard. Step 5. Upgrade to precision for enhanced accuracy. Experience the future of meetings with KonchMate. Try it today and transform how you capture and utilize meeting insights. It's that simple. Thank you for choosing Konch. For more tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other tutorials.